What's your name?
My name is Nadine Tarawali.
Okay, Nadine. So, why are you here?
Well, I actually came down today to do an inspection for one of our buildings because we're property managers in Jamaica. And when I parked my Mini Cooper S, this car was not here. So when I came back, I was like, wait, that looks like a Mini Cooper, so I have to come over. And that's when you saw me coming over and literally videoing it. So I can say this is my car's grandfather.
Okay, so you've never seen one of these cars before?
No, I have not. In the movies, yes, but not physically, literally that I can touch and look in. So I was quite curious.
Okay, so how does your Mini run?
My Mini runs excellent. This is actually my second Mini. I just had the normal Countryman, and so I upgraded to the Countryman S. And hopefully I can go to the John Cooper Works.
So, you've never seen one of these Minis before?
No, I have not.
So,
Not in the physical. Definitely not.
which movies have you seen them in?
Oh my goodness, I'm trying to remember. I'm not a very good movie person, so I'm not going to embarrass myself right now, but I do know that I have seen them in the movie that much, but not beside me like now.
What is your assessment of it?
Well, it's awesome. Well, as soon as you said to me was your car, what did I say to you? I was like, can I look inside? And then it's a manual. So I'm a manual lover. Unfortunately, my Countryman S is not manual, but I am a manual lover. So looking at it and seeing the stick shift, I'm like, oh.
So what about the sliding windows? You saw the sliding windows?
No, I did not see the sliding windows. You caught me just as I was inspecting it, and I was a little taken aback when you said that it was your car. At first I was like, is he being serious? Now I know that you're not being serious because clearly I'm being interviewed now. But I'm really amazed by it.
And you see the hinges outside?
Outside, yes, I do. It's amazing. It
Right.
is amazing.
Amazing. So you're going to stay for the classic car show?
I had no idea that there was actually a classic car show. What time is it?
It's going to start here at 12 o'clock.
At 12? And what time does it finish?
2.
At 2 o'clock.
And then it goes up to Manor Park.
Oh wow! So you're going to be in all my areas. You're going to be in all my areas. Well, I'm going to try my best because I actually have an appointment at 12:30. So even though I may not be here for it, I'm participating. So I'm happy.
Okay, good. So don't walk around now and let me see you walking around it and you can
Sure.
tell me what you think.
And I can
You
look
notice it has these bucket seats, right?
I realize. So I'm assuming that did not originally. It didn't originally come like that, did it?
No, they call them rally seats.
Rally seats. And does this come up?
Yeah, it does. I don't think the original one had that at the back of it.
At the back of it.
Yeah.
And who services this?
The guy who drives it.
Who drives it?
Yeah.
And may I open the door?
I don't know, I think so. You can take a quick look.
Wow. Wow, well, I am impressed that I have actually gotten the opportunity to see this classic. Very, very impressed. Very impressed.
You notice it has a little cable there to open the door.
To open, well, I just realized it when I turned to look at it.
Right.
Wow. And the little sliding window. Amazing, amazing.
And back in the day, it didn't come with seat belts.
But I realized this one has seat belts, so I was going to say they put them in.
After. So look at the front. You can look at the front.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Wow, the grill is quite very impressed.
So this is a 1960 something Mini, right? And there was a place called John Cook, right, where they used to sell them. I was terrible to cars because could never get parts for them.
For it.
Yeah, and this one now, I remember it coming with a hydroelastic suspension, meaning that it wasn't a suspension that had shocks. It had like a fluid in there, right? And as some a phone system which millions of problems.
Awesome, awesome. Before I leave, I have to park my Mini beside it and take a picture. So now we have the generation.
Right.
We have the generation.
Right.
Grandfather.
Grandfather,
Yes.
right? What do you want, it, so?
Yeah.
You see the side of the steering wheel, right?
Clearly, compared to mine. Wow. In my element. In my elements.
So what do you think now?
This is awesome. Awesome.
When you say awesome, what do you mean?
Like just, I'm amazed. I'm amazed to be sitting behind a original classic. So, wow. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. I was in the right place at the right time. I am happy.
So you know this, it has on twin top. Show in the twin top.
To keep. Well, thank you ever so much. Thank you ever so much.
Parchment.
Ray,
Yes.
what you have here now?
Alright, I have my friend's car here. It's a 2004 Toyota MRS. Convertible, mid-engine, Toyota 1ZZ.
How much cc is it?
1800 cc. Small engine, man. 1.8 liters. Nothing to kill you.
Nothing to kill you. How does it drive?
Drives very well. It corners very well. Brakes very well. It's a nice car. You know.
Okay. And I noticed that it's a red car now, and the Juco is almost perfect. Did you change it, respray it?
The car has been resprayed, yes.
And
Quite a while back though.
so what have you done with it?
Just respray the car, touch up some body work and respray. Nothing special.
What about the engine?
Stock.
No.
Nothing at all.
Okay.
Service.
How much miles you get it out? Or top speed you get it out?
I couldn't tell you.
You don't carry it up?
No.
Okay.
The clock only goes to 180, so.
Only 180
Kilo.
kilos?
Yeah.
How much is that in miles per hour?
That's like 110, 116. 116.
Okay, good.
Car must can go more than that.
Can more than that.
Easily.
Alright. You want to carry for a little drive?
I can carry fun to drive. You can go around the block and you see what it feels like.
Yeah, Ray, so this is a nice little car, man.
Yeah, man, it's a nice little car.
Drive really smooth.
Yes.
And you can. So you want it to have turbo on it?
No, it's just regular 1ZZ.
1ZZ, that's the Toyota engine?
Yes. It's kind of popular now with the drag racers.
Okay, okay.
The Toyota guys. And it's a Tiptronic. Nice, smooth, comfortable. You know.
You racing?
No, sir. Nice car to just cruise out to the restaurant, go somewhere to the beach and relax and come back.
Okay, good. So it's just one owner, you got it in Jamaica or?
It's a friend of mine's car, you know, so I can't tell you all of those details.
Okay. So where is service it and all of that?
Auto King,
Okay.
Portmore.
And what kind of service you need there?
Well, they sell parts and they sell service parts and all of that, and they do a little servicing and fitting of some of the parts that they sell.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
Nice, smooth drive, no coughing, no sputtering.
Right, right. You have to show me the engine though.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Ray.
You're welcome, sir.
Let me
So it
sweet. So what we have here now, Ray?
Toyota 1800. Simple little twin cam Toyota engine, nothing too special.
Why don't feel like it is simple?
The car is light, the car is small, the car is mid-engine, so it drives different from the typical car. 1800.
1800?
Yeah, just 1.8. So because it's mid-engine, short wheelbase, you know, car rear weight bias, it feels different, very responsive.
I like it's all rails.
Yes.
What kind of tires you have on it now?
Wow. Just regular tires, nothing special, nothing special. No, I mean the tire is not a special tire, it's just
from Delahaye.
Okay, Carrington.
Yes.
What you have here now?
This is a 2007 Honda S2000.
Okay, what kind of car is this now? This is a Honda.
Yeah, Honda S2000. It's a two-door convertible. It's rear-wheel drive with a 2-liter engine. It's the F22 engine, which produces like 240 horsepower.
240?
Yeah.
At the crankshaft or at the flywheel or at the wheels?
More likely at the flywheel. I don't think it's wheels, but
Okay.
that's what they rate it at.
Okay. So you done any modification to it?
Not since I got it, but the previous owner would have put in like an air intake. She had put in the exhaust system. So the only thing I'd really done was the wheels and some cosmetic parts like the front lip and the side skirts and the rear diffuser, which I would have gotten from the previous owner as well.
Okay, so you race it?
No, not at all.
What kind of top speed you get it out there?
I really don't know, I've never tried to go anywhere near that, but I think they say it goes up to about 200, which is probably 120 miles. So you can go slightly more than that. Yeah.
And the bus can pass 120 miles an hour.
It should, but yeah, I don't know. I've never taken
What do you
it.
mean?
Yeah.
What's the fastest you ever got now?
I've gone 160, which is
That's
about
kilometers.
100 miles. Yeah.
100 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Right. I don't know what kilometers is. Right.
Okay.
Okay. So you work on the car?
No, not at all. I carry it to various people. It's just oil changes I do at this point, oil filters, and that's it.
So I see it having some Mugen updates.
Yeah. So
You put that in, or
I got it with it. So the exhaust is Mugen, the intake is Mugen, and yeah, I think that's it. Exhaust and intake.
right? Okay. Give you any trouble?
No, thankfully.
You work on the car yourself, or
No, I carry it to different mechanics to work on it.
okay? What you have to do with it now?
There's really nothing much to do, it's just regular maintenance, just oil changes and filters, and that's it.
Start it up and let me hear it now, and show me the engine now.
Sure, that's
Go
no
ahead.
problem. The
Go
engine
ahead,
is
man.
probably a bit dirty at this point, but we'll see.
That's what everybody always say now.
I haven't opened the engine bay in quite some time.
So you don't give you that trouble, say you don't have to open the engine bay at all.
Ah.
Alright, come on, open the bonnet for me now.
Sure.
747.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's a bit dirty.
So put up the stick on every get up better look at it.
You don't look that bad.
What you been doing?
I need to read the valve cover.
The Mugen thing there, this is a carbon fiber.
Yeah, carbon fiber intake.
Right. And then there's a carbon fiber shield
Cooling
around here
plates, yeah.
for the cooling. That's the modification.
Yeah,
And then you have the strut brace now.
yeah, carbon fiber strip brace as well.
So it didn't come with a strut brace before.
It did.
So
But,
you put in a lighter one.
yeah, the previous owner.
Okay. What other modification now?
Nothing else in terms of engine. That was it.
Running smooth.
Yeah, as can be.
Alright. So tell me now, what kind of speed you getting out of this car?
I mean, it's an old car, so it's not very fast actually.
When it's an old car, what speed, what year it is?
2007. But
So that's
the model came out in 1999. So,
right.
you know, it's just mild updates and modifications were done since then. So it's not a very fast car.
Right.
Especially not by modern standards.
So you drive it hard or you drive it fast?
I don't drive it fast at all.
Okay, good. What you have there now? The Mugen 2S2000. What's that now?
So this is a radio cover.
So radio cover.
Yeah.
Wow. And what kind of radio is that?
That's the OEM radio that came in the car. So it's original on the radio.
So you do any updates to the radio at all?
No. I like the fact that you can play CDs with it. So
Oh yeah, CDs are not a big thing again, right?
yeah, it's kind of unique in that sense.
It's has Bluetooth and all of that?
No, it's a regular AM, FM, and I don't think it does anything else. I don't think it does an aux cable. Yeah, I think it's just regular.
Okay. Yeah. What you said the size of the engine is again?
It's a 2 liter.
You drive it every day?
No, I only drive it to classic car club, really. I don't really drive it a lot.
So why you don't drive it every day?
Every day?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I like to keep it in as good condition as possible, so
Pristine.
I just drive it occasionally.
You soon sell it then?
No, I'm not that I have plans to, but somebody really wants it, who knows.
You got it out here? You bought it out here?
Yeah, I bought it from someone there.
And you say you service it to some degree, right?
Yeah, I mean, I try to do oil changes, but most of the time I just carry it to the shop.
What kind of oil are you using it though?
Just original Honda oil.
Okay. And what grade is that now?
I think, honestly, I have to look back, I think it's 1020, but I can't recall right now.
I see that there's a restore and protect from what is it now? Mobile.
Although, yeah.
Yeah. Which I hear that works really well in cleaning out, you know, old engine deposits in old engine, right?
That's a,
Yeah, I have used the Amsoil, right? And the Amsoil does clean out the whole. Yeah.
okay.
I found that what happened also is that the thing there, one of the seals, right, was leaking at the front, and when I put in the Amsoil, it stopped.
Okay.
So that's an interesting thing. And you say you have a special exhaust on, right?
Yeah, because I'm using twin loop exhaust.
Right. Okay. Right. My brother, thank you so very much for this drive out. Yeah, man. It was interesting. Thank you. Jason, what VW is that? You have it all the while at the car show.
Oh, yeah, man. It's a 1973 VW North Meridian, a 1200.
Okay, 1200cc.
1200, but it have a different, it have a larger engine in there now, but it's originally a 1200cc.
Okay. Okay, so how long you have it now?
I would say probably like about 3 or 4 years now. About 3 or 4 years.
Your son was telling me it was in a movie.
Oh, yeah, man. This was in, it a couple of features in the Bob Marley movie as Rita Marley's car. He did a couple of videos. He did, yeah, man, he did a couple of videos and things from it. But his main was going for the Bob Marley movie.
In the Bob Marley movie?
Yeah, Rita
And
Marley.
she was driving it.
Well, let's start. Who was Rita Marley? Who played Rita Marley?
Marley was driving it.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Yeah. How did they get in touch to find out that you had this car?
Well, no, that is my job. I find cars for movies and so forth. So they're able to normally call me to find out where they go find a car. It was just fast.
And they asked specifically for the VW.
Yeah, man, I asked they wanted a blue, this color and everything, VW, like just like this one. Like first one, that's why they did this one.
Okay. So what kind of work you did on it now? What kind of modification?
None, well, right now because I was kind of running to go like for the long distances, we just swap the engine to a 1600. That's about it. Apart from that, it's basically stock and the only thing I think I changed was seatbelts to more modern seatbelts. Apart from that, that's it. It's basically stock from 1973.
So back in 73, these cars came with seatbelts?
They came with a seatbelt, but it was, I think it was like a 2 points. And then this one here, now I put on the 3 point. Still incomplete. It has 2 points on it. Now I need to put 1 more point on it. So I didn't even finish it. But the other seatbelt was kind of really old, so I bought a new one. And worked with that. Yeah. That's what the change that thing.
So what kind of improvement you get with the 1600 engine?
There's a whole heap of board. The 1200 gearbox is very quick. It doesn't have any top end, but it's very quick. So with the 1600, it just revs. It's able to put another member. Their car broken down, they were able to pull their car back in from Manduga with it. And I think those stuff I'm not seeing, but I think it's every trouble. I know off the line somewhere I run a markets and I run the markets and meet the markets to a point. So it's pretty quick. It really surprised me how quick it is. Because the gears end very quickly because the 1200 engine has a very short gearbox. So for in-city, I think it's kind of fun, very spirited and things.
So what kind of carburetor you have on it?
I think it's a stock carburetor, not the 1600 pump. Yeah. So it's a 1600 engine, but it's stock. I haven't done any modifications. Trying to keep it original as possible, but the 1200 was really a little on the ball for my purposes and things. We used to go to a lot of schools and stuff, and it took a kind of wore the old engine, so putting this other one to give it a little more pep. And to deal with the rigmarole and the stress of going to all the different events and stuff.
So you drive it every day?
No man, no. I used to drive it, it was every weekend. And then now, I drive it probably once or twice a month or so. So I just have it parked there, but it doesn't use any power to start it up, start right up and I drive it. So it's usually like just the day before we're running Baba Classic Car event, I go the day before I start it. That's about it. The only modification I make to it now is probably to put an air conditioning system in because
So you have that in there?
Not yet, no, I'm doing the research. I have a couple of vehicles I will put them into, but this one first. So that the family will have, you have to keep them comfortable.
Hey, gentlemen, if we will reach out there by 2 o'clock, we need to reach within one.
But Jason,
You don't want to you never know, you have oil in there and you have to
so you have been some oil leak here, right?
There was an oil leak before, something had busted and it went on there and I just haven't cleaned it out and anything because I'm afraid. I have less of a fear for oil than I do for water.
Right.
The power wash it, so I just kind of left it alone.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just some minor, yeah.
Michael always tell me that power wash.
No power wash. You can power wash, but I normally let the mechanics do it. I can do it, but if it won't start, then I have a problem. When I make the mechanic do it, when it don't start, then I just tell him to let you know when you have started. It's just a lower risk and somebody who's more mechanical.
I see you have on a generator.
Yeah, I try to keep it original, so it still has a generator and everything on there. But if I go with the electric air conditioning system, I have to upgrade it to a high output alternator.
So what kind of battery out here? What is voltage on?
Oh no, it's a 13 plate I've gotten from Tire Warehouse, I think. I can't remember the model number, but it's a standard one. But it lasts about 2 years now. And every time I start it up, it starts right up. Even though the car will sit for a month, it doesn't really have any draw or well, you say it don't really draw any power or anything while the car is sitting down. So once a month, once I start it, it starts up as if it was the day before. So there's no power loss. Right?
It's a 12 volt battery.
Is that man? It's a 12 volt. Oh yeah, it's a 12 volt. It's not some of the earlier ones were 6 volts. This one is right. This is 12 volt. Right. Yeah man, this is 12 volt. This is 12 volt.
Right. So you didn't have to do any conversion at all?
No. Like I said, with the older engine when we used to go on the highway and stuff, they used to tell me that they can't overheat a Volkswagen. I overheated the Volkswagen where you had it smelling oil and it used to burn. That's why we have this newer engine now is a little more robust and take it's a little, it can more deal with the conditions of the highway and stuff like that. Okay. So I've overheated a Volkswagen engine. So but this one here is pretty good. And then you just kind of take it easy with it. But they're extremely reliable, very little maintenance, a lot of fun. You don't have to drive with any coolant. So I'm kind of late to the Volkswagen game. A lot of my friends had Volkswagens and wasn't really interested until I saw one. This is one that I was looking at for years. This car used to drive past me for like 10 or so years, and then I just realized I didn't see it anymore. And the owner had a mishap, and then I reached out to them and they were willing to sell it. And I finally got it. So it was nice to get a car that I was familiar with. And slowly I made little changes, change tail light, change every little thing, and it kind of came to it.
How does it travel in water now?
It's in water?
Yeah.
You mean if it drives through water?
Yeah, I mean, does it shut down? or
No,
you have any
no,
problem
it's
with
like a
water?
little tank. It doesn't shut down or anything. I can say. If I remember correctly, they used to have advertisements when you used to see this car drive in the water like an amphibious vehicle. I don't know how they got that done. I figure it wasn't a stock one. But I mean, looking into them now, I see that the cars are almost impervious to water. They're pretty water resistant, I would say. You don't have any problems with the water or anything like that. And suspension-wise, this drives better than some of the more modern 90s classics or 80s cars. It really surprised me how nice the ride is and things. It really surprised. I can see why people really love Volkswagens. And even in stock form, I know a lot of people like to modify them, but I'm very happy with the car. Even in standard form, I don't really have any complaints or anything. I really enjoy it. So.
You have any fears in it? Because I used to hear, and people used to tell me they don't like a Volkswagen because there's no engine in the front to stop any impact.
I don't, well, I used to hear stories when people were in accidents, the engine would drop onto their lap. So I was actually a little more relaxed when there's no engine to come through and hit you. So no, I don't have any fears like that. The only fear I've had, which I had a problem, is that apparently they catch on fire.
That too?
Yeah, that had happened to me one time, but fortunately where it caught on fire, I was able to out the fire and remedy the problem relatively quick. Apart from that, I would say drive with a fire extinguisher, drive with a spare belt, and drive with the extra points and condensers if you haven't converted it to electronic ignition. Apart from that, I couldn't tell anything, just change your oil regularly and you don't have to worry about coolant. There's one less thing you have to worry about, and because the engine is in the back, somehow there just seems to be a lot more space, and because I'm in the front, the car just seems a lot cooler. And maybe that's why, because normally when I drive in these cars, I kind of worried about the heat, but this car is going to usually cool in the front. I've spoken to the family that rides in the back, but I don't have any complaints. But when it caught on fire, the family was in the back. So they have a little phobia against it. But apart from that, man, they're great vehicles, man. Once you maintain them, the workmanship and the build quality on these cars, you understand why these cars have lasted through that amount of time. So, wonderful car. I can't complain. I only started buy one too. So, yeah, man.
Jason, thanks a million for
No,
this.
man, no, man. No, man.